Supine March, we're going to be targeting our abdominal muscles and our hip flexors. So to perform this, we're going to be laying down with our legs bent. Before I move, I'm going to be looking to engage my core here. Now, I don't want to do a posterior pelvic tilt, and that's the mistake a lot of people will make. They'll flatten their back fully, roll their hips all the way back, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a neutral back. So what I'd like to do is find neutral. So not too far forward, not too far back. I'm going to find right in the middle of that neutral spinal alignment. Now, I'm going to try to maintain that now. Maintain the neutral throughout the motion. So that I'm going to engage my abs slightly to maintain neutral. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to march my legs. And I'm going to alternate. I'm going to march both of them. Nice and slow, up and down. As soon as the heel touches, the other one lifts. And the whole focus, I'm ignoring my legs. I'm really focused on driving the movement through my abdominal muscles, making sure that I maintain this neutral spinal alignment throughout the exercise. Really good for engaging early phase core control